Planting a vegetable garden for beginners. Whether you are looking to improve your diet, decrease your grocery budget, or start a new hobby, planting a vegetable garden is a rewarding endeavor. Successful gardeners amend poor soil, provide a sunny location, and grow vegetables suited to their climate. Benefits. Gardening is a healthy activity, requiring moderate to intense physical exercise. The fresh air and slower pace of the work can be very therapeutic. Moreover, you can grow your favorite vegetables, pesticide-free, which may be otherwise unavailable or too expensive at your grocery store. Considerations. The soil must be rich in nutrients, and amended if necessary. Test the soil with a pH kit, to determine if the soil is acidic or alkaline. Vegetables prefer full sun, so the bed must be located in an area of the yard that receives 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Place your garden near a water source, such as a well or garden hose. Planning. Some vegetables grow better than others in various climates throughout the country. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has created a hardiness zone map to help gardeners determine which vegetables can grow in their geographic region and at what time. Read seed packages to choose the vegetables suited for your region and when they can be planted.